Hey guys, this is Kirat and welcome back to the episode 3 of the World of Tech. Thank you for all the positive comments on the first 2 episodes. I'm really excited to continue this series and I'm very happy that you guys are enjoying it. So before we start, I just want to inform you that I have started a Discord server which has students from all over India. We have serious discussions about colleges, careers, and also fun discussions such as memes and group Spotify sessions. So if that's something you're interested in, head over to the first link in the description and join our server. So let's start with the first update. Now, as a lot of you might know that recently government banned 118 Chinese apps including PUBG. So yeah, that was a big blow for all the Indian gamers. But now the conversations have been stirring up about its effect on Indian startups. There are a lot of startups, Indian startups, which have Chinese funding. According to a report by Money Control, now Indian startups owners are thinking about cutting down Chinese investments and also reducing the stake of Chinese stakeholders. The fight is not with PUBG or TikTok or all the 100 plus apps that have been banned, but with the data sharing policies. Government believes that these apps are a risk to nation's security right now, and that's why they have been banned. So yeah, it's a possibility that there might be an issue with Chinese tech or Chinese funding being used in Indian startups. There has been no official report from the government regarding the same, but I hope that everything is well, and yeah, hope for the best. So the second update comes from the world of machine learning, and this is something that made me really excited because something like this would only be possible theoretically up until now. So if an individual researcher wants to conduct a machine learning experiment at a very large scale, a lot of calculations, they can't actually do it on their laptops or their desktop PCs. They need a much more powerful computer, and buying those could easily break a bank. They are very expensive. So a team of researchers in Russia has been developing a decentralized supercomputer. That means anyone who agrees to volunteers for this program can assign their PC or their laptop into this network or this program, and essentially the power of all the computers or the PCs will be combined to create a single supercomputer. So yeah, this is very exciting, and I hope something like this comes to India as well. I don't know if this has been developed like commercially or not, but yeah, this is happening. So the next update is coming from the world of artificial intelligence. Google has recently funded $5 million, yes, $5 million into an artificial intelligence institute in the US. So the research in this institute will mainly focus between the interaction between AI and humans. That includes things like speech, languages. Their main goal through this institute is that they want to educate the next generation about AI, and also small teams across US to join their hands and work on bigger projects. So all the research from this institute will be published so it can be used for advanced development. So our fourth update is again from the world of AI, but it's not all fun. It's a bit scary as well. You'll know what I'm talking about. So there have been speculation going around for years that technology will replace humans, will replace their jobs in the years to come. But now a new report by Economic Times gives us a clearer picture into what's going on, saying that about 60%, yes, 60% of Indian enterprises think that AI will disrupt their businesses in the next couple of years. So yeah, it's definitely not fun. So some Indian enterprises have already shifted to artificial intelligence, and they stated the reasons being operational efficiency, customer experience, and revenue growth. They also believe that AI provides a much better value in the long run as compared to human employees. So yeah. So coming to our last update of this video, this is from the world of space and astronomy. This is an interesting one, but because of 2020, the things we have already seen happening this year, even this might sound scary. So scientists at the California Institute of Research and Technology have discovered a signal from a collision that happened a long time ago. Now this collision was between two black holes and is said to have created the largest black hole mankind has ever seen. And not just that, the sound from this collision is said to be the biggest bang ever since the Big Bang that created humanity. This happened last year, but the deciphering and the decoding of the signal of what actually happened concluded just 2 days ago. So yeah, those were our 5 updates for this episode. Thank you so much for watching. Like this video if you learned something out of it. Share it with your friends. Subscribe the channel if you want to see more episodes of the world of tech regularly. And I will see you in my next video.